Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on polynomials and specifically multiplying polynomials. Okay, I have the same problem written twice. That's not a typo. I didn't do anything wrong. I want to show you two ways in which to multiply a binomial times a trinomial, giving you the same answer. And I decided to just write the problem twice to make things simpler on me. So one method for multiplying this out is to create a box. So I'm going to create a box 2 by 3. And I'm going to write the 3r and the -1 because that's really a -1. And the 2r squared, the 3r, and the -8. And each box is the product. It's like area. 3r, 2r squared is a 6r cubed. 3r is a 9r squared. 3r, -8 is a -24r. -1 times 2r squared, -2r squared. 3r times -1 is a -3r, and -1 times 8 is a +8. We're going to find our like terms on the diagonals. So we have a 6r cubed. 9 minus 2 is a 7r squared. 24 and 3, they're both negatives, so they're going to party. There's going to be 27 of those r's plus 8. And there we have it. We have our answer using the box method. Notice a lot of times students get really hooked up on doing the FOIL method. You can't FOIL a binomial times a trinomial. It doesn't ever work. FOIL is for binomial times binomial only. I do not like it because it's a unitasker. My preferred method is distributive property with stacking. Distributive property, 3r times 2r squared is 6r cubed. 3r times 3r is 9r squared. 3r times -8 is a -24r. This looks suspiciously like the top row of my box. -1, I get a -2r squared. I get a -3r. I get a +8. Suspiciously like the bottom row of my box. The thing is, my like terms are stacked. It's really easy to see that this is subtraction because the signs are different and we're going to have a 7r squared. It's really easy to see that this is addition because the signs are the same and it's a -27r. I really like this idea of having it more clear cut, and that's why I like the distributive property of stacking. Again, it's not easier, it's not harder, it's just framing the process a little bit differently. That's it. Okay, last problem. I'm going to use this method on this problem. I'm going to multiply these. I'm going to get an 8t cubed, 12t squared, 18t. Now I'm going to stack. I'm going to put this with my t squared. -12t squared. -18t, and -27. Notice these are equal but opposite. They go to 0. I end up with 8t cubed minus 27. This is the one situation where 6 terms become 2. It's called the difference of 2 cubes. Anyways, here's our final answer. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.